Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now
And I am certainly not going to get what I want here.
And what's that?
To know how it feels when you matter so much to someone that it hurts them when you're gone. I've got the reverse down pat. I know all about her. Just not the part when it's returned.
We're shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors. The dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired. But dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into
You showed me that there's so much more to feel. And you taught me that I'm a person that's worthy of love. With you, every day has been so much better. Every single one is better than the last. You're everything that I always wanted but never believed that I could have. And I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life.
I don't know how to live with this feeling. I can't live with this feeling. I wish it was me who died instead of him.